In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Asana and view your completed tasks. Whether you're managing a team project or keeping track of personal goals, being able to quickly locate your finished tasks can give you a sense of accomplishment and help you plan your next steps. Let's get started by heading over to asana.com. This is your one-stop platform for managing tasks, collaborating with your team, and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're part of multiple workspaces or projects, remember to open the specific project or workspace where you wish to review the completed tasks. This is important, as Asana's versatility allows you to navigate through different projects based on your needs. Now, as we dive deeper, let's open your project. You'll want to locate the project name in the sidebar and give it a click. This action will bring up all the details of the project you're working on. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Asana offers different views such as list, board, and timeline, each providing a unique way to organize and visualize your tasks. For our purpose of viewing completed tasks, both list view and board view work perfectly. Ensure you're in one of these views before proceeding. In List View, take note of the filter icon, which looks like a funnel located at the top of the task list. Clicking this icon will give you several options. Here, you'll want to select Show Completed Tasks or Include Completed Tasks. This simple action lets you view all your finished tasks, along with the ongoing ones, allowing you to track your progress within that particular project. If you prefer Board View, things work a little differently, but are just as straightforward. In this view, your tasks are usually categorized under different columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Scroll over to the Done column, or whichever column your completed tasks are relocated to. Here you'll see all the tasks that have been checked off your list. Lastly, if you're working in Timeline view, Asana provides a different visual cue for completed tasks. Completed tasks in Timeline View are grayed out, ensuring they stand apart from those that are still in progress. To specifically isolate and view only the completed tasks, click on Filter, then navigate to Status and choose Completed. This filtering process highlights exactly what you've accomplished in your set timeline. And there you have it, a straightforward process to log in and view completed tasks in Asana. Efficient task management can be incredibly satisfying and productive, and with Asana's user-friendly interface, keeping track of your completed work becomes a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy planning.